What if I told you that you can create videos related to movies on YouTube and never worry about getting copyright? No matter how high the competition is, you will still get best possible results in no time. I know that all this sounds too good to be true, but you will be shocked to know that it actually is possible with the help of a best sub-niche within movie niche named Movie Review Niche. With this niche, you can easily make $4,000 to $5,000 every month if you search Best Hollywood or Bollywood Movies list on YouTube. You will see lots of channels gaining hundreds of thousands of views on their videos, and all they do is just provide update about old and new upcoming movies, and if you stay up to date and provide review and information about upcoming amazing movies before others, your chances of going viral increase no matter. Even if it's your first video, and today I will teach you each and everything in detail, but I must tell you that this is not going to be a copy movie from this Chinese website and upload there and make millions. Nah, that's all scam, and YouTube will sooner or later terminate your channel and all your efforts will be lost. You will have to work hard, only then you will get the results you want. But before starting, guys, I request you to subscribe to our channel because from all those people who regularly watch my videos, more than 80% are not subscribed. And this hurts, guys. It won't cost you anything to subscribe, but it will motivate me to provide you best possible content. Now, first you need to understand that movies are divided into many categories like action, drama, sci-fi, comedy, crime thriller, and so on. First, you need to think on which category of movies you are creating your video on. Know you can create videos about all category movies, but for one specific video, you should stick with one category, like for now we will go with action-adventure movies. Now, first we will ask ChatGPT to provide me list of action-adventure Hollywood movies. Now you can even search for already released movies or upcoming movies. It's totally up to you for now. I will go with already released action-adventure movies, and when you have the list, pick only 4 to 5 movies. But first you need to search the movies ChatGPT provided you and watch their trailer on YouTube, and if you think these are some crazy movies, just select them. And you have to select like about 5 movies for one video search for each movie on YouTube. Watch their trailers, and when you have selected total 5 movies now, pay attention. I have made a special prompt that will help you generate your script. The prompt is customizable. All you will need to do is put your movie name in these empty brackets and just provide the prompt to ChatGPT, and GPT will then provide you a review-based script of that movie. Know this script that GPT will provide you. It will be a review script, meaning it won't reveal any climax, spoiler, or main plot of the movie. It will just explain what's happening in movie. Is it worth watching? And what is its IMDB rating? This will help people who are searching for movies to find best movies through your videos, and like this, you will get very high retention, which is exactly what we want. Now, one by one, you will have to use the prompt, and one after other, replace the movie names until you have short script related to each movie, but don't be a copycat, okay? And instead of using copy-paste script, you must do some changes like removing unwanted sentences and adding your own commentary to make the video more engaging. Now you would be thinking, how are we supposed to know what is happening in the movie? You will watch the trailer, you will understand what is happening in the movie, and after reading the script that GPT provided you, will have complete idea of what is happening in the movie, and like this, you can further make your script engaging and exciting. Once you have the script, it's time to generate the voiceover. Now, as everything we use today will be free, so I will reveal my own personal text-to-speech AI tool that I used in the starting of this channel, ProvenTube, and yes, I got monetized. The tool is named ClipChamp. Once you click on create a new video, go to record and create, and then text-to-speech feature. Now, here you can paste your script and select your voiceover. There are a lot of very amazing voices, and I can guarantee that these voices are 100% monetizable. And the best part is that there is no limit of how many voices you can generate, and it's totally free to use. So then just click on save, and your voiceover will then come on the timeline, and then just export your voiceover. And if you still have excuses, trust me, buddy, there is nothing in this whole world that can help you. Then literally no one reveals their secret tools, but I don't care. It would be honor for me that if I can make even one person to make only $1 online, I will think that my efforts showed results. So stop your excuses now. And if you are really a strong person and want to make a change, then type yes in the comments. Let's talk about the most important step, which is getting movie clips. No, guys, this is by far the best part, and I need you to understand it for all the movies. You don't need to keep searching for those movie clips anywhere. No need to search from Chinese apps, no need to download movies or pay for anything. You just need to download trailers of the movies from YouTube. Movie industries and companies upload these trailers just for promotional purposes. But you can get copyright claim from YouTube algorithm itself if you don't do some important adjustments while editing, which I will show you. But first, just download trailers of all the movies on which you are making review. That's it, you don't need anything else. Now simply import your voiceover and trailers in your editing software and then first place the voiceover on the timeline when you will export the voiceover from Clipchamp. It will be an MP4 format, so all you need to do is right-click on it and simply click on Extract Audio and then delete the video clip, and you have your voiceover, and then edit your voiceover to remove the unwanted, awkward, empty spaces. This step is very crucial to boost audience retention, so take your time and do this step carefully. And you don't need to remove every single empty space. Just remove the unwanted empty spaces and you are good to go. Now pay attention. First place the trailer on the voiceover. Now guys, this is the best part of this niche. The trailer will act as a visual to your video. That's it. And you don't need to match the trailer with your voiceover because our complete focus is on providing review of the movie. And because trailer contains all the important suspenseful scenes of a movie, so it will create suspense and hype in the audience, making them to watch. So you don't have to worry about matching the visuals with voiceover. But as I mentioned before, even if the movie company don't provide you copyright, YouTube algorithm may send you a claim. So to avoid that claim, all you have to do is, instead of using the trailer head-on, just cut it from in between. Just keep the engaging parts and remove the rest. This will add a human touch in your overall video and will help you play safe. So never use the video clip, as it is always do some cuttings and trimmings to play safe. And you are good to go, and you don't need much of animation or transitions, but you can still apply as per your need. I'm not going to waste time on all this because you already know this, but captions are must. And in CapCut, you can generate captions in just one click, and then there are templates for these types of videos. I will recommend you to use these simple and long captions and to add your own unique touch, change the font as well as the color of the captions to make them more engaging if needed. Also add glow and shadow for further enhancement. I am just showing you basics of how to do this. Once you start making these videos with time and practice, you will become a pro and you will automatically start to learn everything. And in final, you can add a good background music to keep up the hype, and it will help boost audience retention. There are many sources to download copyright-free music, and the best one is YouTube itself. Reduce the volume of the music and done. Your video is completely ready. Just export it and let's take a look at it.
Edge of Tomorrow is an intense sci-fi action movie starring Tom Cruise as a soldier who finds himself caught in a time loop during an alien invasion. Every time he dies, he wakes up on the same day, giving him a chance to learn and improve his skills with each reset. The film is packed with thrilling action and clever twists that keep you on the edge of your seat. Cruise's character teams up with Emily Blunt's Warrior to figure out how to stop the invasion. It has a 7.9 out of 10 rating on IMDB and delivers a unique, fast-paced experience. You'll definitely enjoy the movie. It's a worth-watch movie.
Wonderful. Know this is a real way to earn money, and by far one of the best ways, so don't waste any more time and work real hard and smart. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and become a part of our community.